to number 5, Human and AI, the future of responsible collaboration. The first sessions, evolving role in the age of AI. So the evolving role for and responsibility in the age of AI, from the routine execution toward human judgment, oversight, and the design. AI eliminates the task, not the job. So our regular job will not be replaced, but AI will help us to do some tasks in the job that we do every day. So many manual work gonna be AI assistant work, and the human gonna control or oversight that work instead. For the entry level works that do repetitive tasks, it gonna require the apprenticeships and strategic learnings. That means the people that learn in the universities need to have the working experience to the internship or to work in the regular enterprise. That means the way that we learn and work between study in the university gonna be normal in the next wave of the age of AI. In the meantime, the students or the new entry need to be more strategic in planning. They need to break down the works into the different steps and the different tasks, and also assign himself or herself to do the work, or he or she can assign AI to do the work. The new role gonna be emerge in the age of AI. For example, the person who review the quality of the AI, the person that can edit or audit the AI, the integrators or the validators for the quality of the AI. The rise of the AI judgment, why the oversight become the core human values. Because AI is not 100% correct, humans also need to be in the loop, oversight, and validate the result. The risk from the AI is very critical, not only to use AI, but to not use AI as well. So the oversight includes 3 focus. The first is hallucinations and the errors. The second one, the bias from the model or from the AI tools. The last one is explainabilities or traceabilities to see the root cause or the source from the data that they produce into the result. The new young people, he or she should not rely on AI too much, and he or she need to rely on himself or herself more than just rely to the AI system, because the AI system can make the mistake. Human in the loop is the skill for the futures. One thing that you need to avoid, we call the automation overconfidence. That means the people should not more confidence about the AI too much. They should have the oversight or to include him or herself into the loop as well. Lastly, the new human skill stack. For example, the cognitive agilities, relational intelligence, and AI affluence. First, cognitive agilities. That means you need to have the system thinking systematically. You need to detect the anomalies or try to apply anomaly detections. Not only to manually detect the anomaly, but you need to understand how to use tools, how to use the basic tool, advanced analytic tools, and also the AI tool. The last thing is real-time reasoning, because the AI gonna feed the data or the result real-time and bombard it with the information for you. So you need to be more reasoning, more logics at the real time that you get that information. Rational intelligence. So you need to be better communicate. Even though the AI can communicate in many languages, but you need to also absorb the result or the answer from the AI, as well as translate to the other as well. So the communication is a key. The psychological safety also, you need to ask the questions, always ask the questions and curiosities. Collaboration and ethical decision making is also important for the humans. Lastly, you need to have the AI knowledge or the AI fluencies. the one that we talked during the 5 modules. First of all, understand the fundamentals about AI and apply the AI into your daily life and also the practice. When you are in the enterprise, you need to understand how to apply the AI into the enterprise, into the use case to gain your productivities and also benefit back to the company. And lastly, you need to understand the trend and the directions about the futures of the technology so you can adapt and ready for it. You also need to understand when to intervene to the AI. And also, one thing that we talked during the solo modules is you need to break down the bigger problem into the small problem. Understand the workflow, identify the step, and replace the step with yourself or replace the step with AI. So you need to be upskill not only for yourself, but everyone needs to be upskilled to integrate and continue us learning for the new technologies and to apply the AI into your daily life and your work. Lastly, the human and AI, efficiency, qualities, and the diversity of works. So the data from the research tell us that the AI agent is different from our humans. First of all, the data show that AI show the efficiency advantage. That means it works faster, it lower the cost, but it still need the human to be oversight. The second one, AI still underperform in the quality and reliability. AI cannot do 100% correct and not reliable in many cases. You can see the autonomous car, even though they can drive by themselves, but also have the human in the loop and human to see the directions and to make the final decision as well. AI replace the task, not the job. AI can do very good in specific tasks, but not the whole job. So that's why the people need to understand and decide which task that AI need to do. Oversight is a core human responsibility, as the AI is not 100% correct and also not to replace all the whole job. So human in the loop and the people also very important in the futures. But the humans need to be collaborate and also break the task into the allocate into the smaller tasks. That is the skill that we need to master.